Yo, welcome back again. So back here at Cannock, finally get some time to go out and have a little ride. I'm gonna take it nice and mellow today, just because I just haven't been in a while and I don't want to do anything too strenuous. But if I do see maybe a bit of potential session and some jumps, then I might see how I feel. But anyway, nice easy ride, hopefully. Enjoy it, make the most of it. I'll see you on the trails in a bizzle. Peace. Hello. Beautiful. Toilet stop. Sun's chain slapper. Here we go. Oh, beautiful. You don't actually know how much it's missed. Liking. Seven dwarfs. Let's go. Okay. Let loose trail. Oh. Oh. Shall I try it? I should have been on this one. Might actually give it a go. Here we go then.
A few moments later.
Okay, are we there yet? Trail? Guys, listen to that. Oh, beautiful. Sounds of the outdoors. Right, keep going. Tell you what, when you haven't been out for a while or just feel like coming out for a ride on the trails, Cannock Chase is the place to be. Gonna head towards the actual Cannock Chase bike centre. Let's go! Go, go, go! Whoa, come on, that's a bird, love it! Here you go, brother. You love the little bridge here, don't you? Okay, let's go for it. Let's keep going. For all you non-mountain bikers out there, my gosh, you don't know the feeling. This dreaded hill. Flipping hate it. Oh yes, yes, yes. My God. That was tough. I keep saying never again. Oh well, gotta face the music. Face the music. Roller coaster. Look at where I came from. Ah, looks like they're doing some forestry work. Okay, get back on it. Original monkey trail. Oh, I could cry right now. Dick trail. Lovely. This is where I had a video of me when I first started mountain biking. It's down this little mini rock garden over here. Really bumpy. Come on in. Yeah. Oh shit. Almost went over. Yep. I think I'm done. I'm getting cramps again. So I'm gonna try and find a way back now. It's the exact same place where I had the cramps when I was at the ride with the MTB Pinoy group. Yeah. Something needs to be done with my legs. Okay. See you in a sec. It's the only way back to my car. Fastest way is up that way. Oh lordy, lordy. Look at it. Don't respect it. Don't admire it. It's a flipping hill. Even my bike saying, no, don't do this to me. Need something. Coming from over there. Like a squelching, like a. I don't even know what kind of sound you can make it. It's like a screaming sound, like an animal or a puppy screaming out for its mother. Okay, I'm done. Back at the car. Oh wow, what is it always that place? When I go down that way, the cramps keep coming up. I know there's methods you can use to, avoid having cramps or prevent it having cramps or minimizing cramps. Anyway, that'll do me. Rain has just started, just in time. Nevertheless, glad I went out to have a little ride. Enjoyed it. Just flipping hate the hills though, I just can't stand it. Anyway, apart from that, trails is wicked. Enjoyed it like always. Thanks for watching my video. I'll see you guys soon when I can do another one. In a bizzle. Peace. Ah.